Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking in on Ben Roethlisberger, the two-time Super Bowl champion and Pittsburgh Steelers legend. After 18 memorable seasons in the NFL, many are asking, where is Big Ben now? Let's break it all down. Ben Roethlisberger, also known as Big Ben, played quarterback for the Pittsburgh Steelers from 2004 through 2021. In that time, he led the franchise to two Super Bowl victories, XL and XLT, and set multiple franchise records, including passing yards, touchdown passes, and career wins. His toughness, late-game heroics, and gunslinger mentality made him one of the iconic quarterbacks of his era. Roethlisberger officially announced his retirement on the 27th of January 2022, after 18 seasons in the NFL. In the years since, he's remained connected to football and the Steelers community. He hosts a popular podcast, Footballin' with Ben Roethlisberger, where he discusses the Steelers, the NFL, faith, and his life after playing. He's also spoken publicly about his Christian faith and how he's transitioned from being defined by football to being defined by something bigger. Where is Ben Roethlisberger now? As of now, Ben Roethlisberger is still very much involved in football culture, though not as a player. He's based out of Colorado, where he owns and spends time at his Wind River Ranch in Estes Park. He also travels for business, media appearances, and his podcast. In addition to being announced as an inductee in the Steelers Hall of Honor for 2025, he's expressed interest in working behind the scenes in the NFL, possibly in a scouting or advisory role. Regardless, he remains focused on family life, charitable work, and staying influential while enjoying his post-playing chapter. Ben Roethlisberger's playing days may be over, but his impact and presence in football remain strong. From franchise quarterback to mentor, analyst, and family man, his story is evolving. Whether he eventually takes on a formal role within the NFL or remains in the media sphere, one thing is clear: the legacy of Big Ben still thrives.